Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Nicklin Christensen, and I am here again for another YouTube tutorials for beginners. So today's topic is how you can put a social media links onto your homepage or to your YouTube channel that look like this. That when you go to your Instagram button, it will lead to your Instagram for them to easily follow you onto your Instagram account. And when they hit the Facebook account, it will lead you to the Facebook account. So by the way, guys, this is the YouTuber support team. Is my page for those communities who would like to support each other through YouTube. And you are welcome to sign up or like that page, and I will happily welcome you and support you onto your journey as well. And you can put in your Twitter account today and to your YouTube account, which is kind of redundant. Come on. Which kind of redundant, but when the unsubscriber click on that thing, it will pop up to your subscribe easy button to your YouTube account. But also, even if it is kind of redundant, I just like the look of it, where there's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can see when people kind of visit my homepage, that's how it would look like. So I kind of like how it looks, so that's why. But it's up to you. You can just put 3. But first, how can you do that? So first, I would log out to here, this account, and I will use the account which has no social media links yet. And before signing in, I'm going to close those windows. Signing in to my other account which has no social media links. Okay? So for example, this is your channel. You go to your channel, and this channel of mine has no videos yet. As you can see, it's no contents yet. So if you are the same as mine like that, then we're on the same page on my channel. Okay, so how do we put a social media links? So that should look right on this side here. Okay, so first you go to customize channel. Once you're on customize channel, click on the right button here, up, and click on the edit links. And once you're there, you will see here custom links, overlay first 5. Yes. So overlay, it just means that it will be visible. It will be visible to your homepage. That it will be on top of the channel art, not the bottom of the channel art, which you won't be able to see. So now, which social media links you would want them to see. So first I will do Facebook, and then the URL of my Facebook, which is the done. And then I would like to add more. For example, Instagram. So put in your Instagram URL. What I would do is that I would kind of, because I kind of forgot what's my URL. So the URL, guys, is that when you're logged in to your Instagram or Facebook, whatever is here, this kind of highlighted part, that is the URL here. That's the URL. So you just copy that and then you just paste that here. Paste it. Add one more, like my Twitter, and I'll sign into my Twitter. So this is my Twitter. You'll sign into that. Copy. And then paste it here. Like that. And I will do okay. So for example, I will do just 2 overlays. So I put in 3 social media, but I only put 2 overlays. So let's try that. And that's how it would look like, just Facebook and Instagram. So let's just sign that out first. So when they click onto your Facebook, it will automatically go to that website. When they click onto your Instagram, they can easily follow you in your Instagram. So because I put in only 2 overlays, that's why it's just 2 links that's been shown there. But then if I put in 3, then even the Twitter would also show. See, 1, 2, 3 overlays. So you can add your YouTube as well and just adjust the overlays into 4, and this should show 4 in there. Okay, so that's how it is, guys. So easy, isn't it? So when people will visit into your homepage or to your channel, they will see your social media links right above to your channel art. Okay, customize channel, view as yourself, and view as a new visitor. And give visitor would see it like this one here. They can visit your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and they can click subscribe at the button. Alright, so that's it for another YouTube tutorials for beginners. I hope you have learned a lot today, and I hope to see a thumbs up and a comment down below on this video. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!